Yo, 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 what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in once more again. It's been quite a minute. Took a little break for about several weeks. Back to trading. I got in the USDJPY at 106.98. Market's currently at 106.78. That's a 20 pip movement. Right now I'm up $3,753. I bought under the 45 positions at $36.25. So I'm looking to make a big, I think $5,000 somewhere in that ballpark. Things are going pretty well. Got 3 minutes left on the trade. I do not expect it to come back up to 106.98. So we'll check out the end of this trade and it'll be it. All right, guys, down to the last 15 seconds and counting. You see my entry. I'll show you guys my entry here in a second after the position settles. Give me a second. Waiting for this position to settle. And there we go, 32,000. Things are moving on gradually. All right, so I did get in at 106.98. Let's take a look at the chart. So 106.98 is up in this here area here. There we go, right here. We got in on the entry down here. Market moved down tremendously. Broken somewhat of a resistance level up in this area. Continue to move down. If you look at, we got higher lows right here. So we know the market is kind of moving down. And you got lower lows. Boom. So it's kind of give you a confirmation of what the market is going to do as of the last few days, since last week really. So there it is, y'all. There it is. See if I can get this account. Maybe it's 6 figures. We'll see how this goes. I'll let you check it out.